Previously on I Am Corby TV, we went ahead and started to install this banging tail Freetress cozy deep hair inside of my hair. Now, this process literally took me no more than 3 to 4 hours, including the braid up process. If you guys are not familiar with that, please make sure that you visit my description box below. That way that you guys can go ahead and watch that first video as well as the second, so you know how I got these lovely Solange spring sexy curls. Like, bring it back, baby. Are you ready? Like, I don't think you're ready, because sometimes this curl pattern really does take some time. So let's go ahead and get started and learn how to get some curl recovery, because this hairstyle did not last for a good 2 weeks, but we had to make sure that we maintained it. So this is what I did to maintain the process of my curls when it was still in its long state. Now, I went ahead and did the right hand side of my hair, and I'm going to show you guys exactly the whole entire process, because this took a very long time. After a while, you guys, I probably kept it long for no more than a week. Then the next week I did a totally different style, which I hope you guys stay tuned, because that will be released tomorrow. But as you can see, this hair is matted and nasty, and I just do not care at this point. I'm like cutting all willy-nilly. I do not care how the hair is cut when it comes to curly hair versus when it comes to straight crochet hair. That can look a little tacky, but curly hair, you can get away with it. So I just snip away, because I have so much hair in my head, you really cannot tell what hair is snipped and what is not. So that's the joy of having curly crochet hair. So if you guys are looking for some curly crochet hair, please make sure that you visit my description box below as well and look at all the other curly crochet hairstyles that I have placed on my channel. But this process, like I said, did take some time. I want you guys to pay attention to how I am detangling this hair, because I am detangling this hair from the roots of my hair. And that is only because the ends of my hair is so disgusting. So take your time with this process. I'm going to shut up and allow the music to do what it do, and allow you guys to just go ahead and watch my process, because at this point, honey, it's going to be serious. And I wanted to give you guys the real deal, because sometimes hair recovery when it comes to crochet hair, it cannot be pretty. And I did not want to lie to you guys about this hair whatsoever. I did have some issues with tangling with this hair within the first week, and that's why I went ahead and did my next step the following week. But once again, if you guys still stay tuned to my channel, please subscribe, click that bell button, because you will be notified tomorrow at 1:30 with the next video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this one, and to get an idea of how to maintain some curly crochet hair, because this is probably the same step. I'm not gonna say probably, no honey, this is the same step that I normally do when it comes to curly crochet hair and how to really maintain it. I am not afraid to snip. I am not afraid to do absolutely anything to the hair at all. Do not be afraid. I mean, completely do not be afraid. It is not bad. Just kiss it goodbye. Literally just like that. So go ahead and continuously keep watching. I'm gonna stop rambling, because I probably need to shut up. And I mean, yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Yeah. Oh, one time if you the baddest, put in work, you better put it in, girl. 2 times just for a savage. All you wanna do is just stay. Ooh, all I'm gonna do is just lay. Yeah. All you wanna do is just lay. Just lay. Yeah. Well, that boy tried to break my heart, but you can't break me, 'cause I'm a bad chick. He tried to treat me like something. He must have forgot just what a snack is. You messed up. My bad for tripping. Let me trade up. I swear I'm dipping on the lame-o. You better listen what I say, 'cause I say it one time if you the baddest, put in work, you better put it in, girl. 2 times just for a savage. All you wanna do is just stay. Ooh, all I'm gonna do is just lay. Yeah. All you wanna Okay, I see what you want, I see it in your eyes, boy. Don't you come back on all that another try stuff. Once you mess it up, you mess it up. So go suck it up, go suck it up. No regretting, I just had to learn. And what I'm learning is you gotta earn. Ain't no regretting, I just had to learn. Now that I learned it one time.
As we come to an end, yes, God, this thing took forever. I'm telling you, this probably took me a good hour. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but these edges, however, look nasty, but she ain't gonna take no more than a few minutes to take care of. And this is something that you can do right in your room, you guys. All you guys need is some cotton swabs, a water bottle, as well as your shampoo or conditioner situation, whatever you really want to call it. This is the last bit of my little concoction. So you're just gonna spray your hair down with the water bottle and just gonna massage the water right into your edges or whatever spot of your hair that you want to take off the nasty goop that can build up from the gel or whatever you want to put on your edges or anywhere around your hair. So I'm just going to be taking my shampoo concoction and I'm just going to be massaging this into my scalp, getting rid of all that nasty buildup that has set over time as well as over day. And when I mean over time, I mean just for the few hours of the day, because I literally repeat these steps every night to maintain my hair. Because if you do not maintain your protective style, what's the point? I say this in every video that I do when it comes to protective styles. That is the total point. Please make sure that you are maintaining your hair that is underneath the protective style, i.e. your edges as well. My edges are not all that good and I've had some issues with it over time, but honey, she trying to work on it. I'm working, don't worry, she trying to do something. And if you guys have any pointers or anything naturally to how to grow your edges back, please make sure that you place it in my comment box below. Let me know what your secrets are so I can go ahead and try them out for real on my channel, and let me know if they work for you, please, because shorty is struggling or whatever, but I'm not struggling that bad. She has gotten a lot better. So as you see, I'm making sure that my edges are taken care of with my tea tree oil. I am massaging this into my edges as well as massaging this into my scalp, making sure that my scalp is not dry for any reason. Like, it can get completely annoying, but this is pretty much it. So this process took me about a good hour. I'm not gonna lie to you, she was stressed out. My curls was just doing too much. Now, as you see, I am completely tired at this point. I'm just going to be wrapping my bonnet up, and I like this bonnet because this bonnet is big enough for my big hair. And not only is it big enough for my big hair, but the band around it takes care of my edges. Like, it's silk. I don't have to worry about my edges being tossed or tugged on by any plastic. I said plastic, but any cotton. But it's enough for me to be able to go to sleep, and she wakes up like a beauty. Come on, that beauty sleep be coming through, honey. So I'm just going to take my bonnet off, as you see, and we're going to start unraveling this hair. This process is probably the quickest part because you have already detangled your hair. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, my hair did experience a lot of detangling, a lot of tangling. I had to detangle a lot within, I want to say, the first 5 days of me wearing this hair out. It was super, super annoying. Will I ever get this hair again? Possibly. Hell no. Ain't nobody got time for that. This thing was a hassle and it was a headache. I like the beach curl alone because I know how to maintain that one. But this cozy curl, honey, she was just nasty and I just do not want to deal with that anymore. But we maintained her. We got the curl recovery. After repeating these same 2-strand twist steps, my curl pattern started to look simultaneous, which was an awesome, awesome thing after a while because I was struggling with 2 different curl patterns and I was not with it. So once you continuously keep doing the steps over time, they will start to look alike and they will start to melt and mold together. So that's one thing I did like about doing my 2-strand twist. My 2-strand twist on my curly hair is probably the only way that I will maintain my curly crochet braids. So I add a little bit of mousse, which is the same Bonner Brother alcohol free. Please make sure that it is alcohol free because you don't want to deal with no crunch and no build up. That is just nasty and you don't want your hair to feel heavy whatsoever. So she's curly or whatever. I'm actually completely finished talking at this point. So I want you guys to go ahead and finish enjoying the rest of this tutorial. The next tutorial will be placed up tomorrow. So please make sure that you are subscribed, and go ahead and click that bell button. Yes, subscription is for free. I will not be sending you any magazines in the mail. Don't worry, but you will be receiving videos probably every day because I am in that mood. Please make sure that you like, share, and follow me on all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. And remember, God is love, so love, love. Enjoy this video and carry on.
You got me some type of way. I choose to feel it this way. I do not know what to say, yeah. But I know I shouldn't think about it. So one back and look at your face. Now I wanna know how you taste. Usually don't give it away, yeah. But you know I'm already thinking about it. Then I realize she's right there. And on like damn, this ain't fair. Wake up with your girlfriend, yeah, cause I'm bored. You can hit it in the morning, yeah, like it's yours. I know it ain't right, but I don't care, yeah. Wake up with your girlfriend, yeah, cause I'm bored. This shit always happen to me. Why can't we just play for keeps? Practically on my knees, yeah. But I know I shouldn't think about it. You know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets, yeah. Acting all innocent beats. When I know you are